So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the large knotless braids, and thank you for clicking on this video. Any items that I mention in the video, click the links below in the description to purchase. So I'm going to be using this Magic Fingers Shine and Jam. I will do a product review on this because I love it. So I'm just going to be putting this around her, the square parts of her braid, the roots, so it can be smooth. Doing this ensures that you have a sleek, finished look, and it looks neat once you're done. So we'll link that comb in the description below so you can purchase. But this is one of the best combs I've ever used. You see how clean her parts are? Like, it is the best. So now I'm sectioning her hair up into 3 sections. And then I'm going to add the extension in. These are the large knotless braids. And I'm only adding in 2 strands per plait, because you don't want the you want the size of the plait to match the size of the part of the box part. And I will also link where you can purchase this Shine and Jam from too, because I know there's people around the world who they don't have the access to go purchase this product. So if you're in the military and you're overseas and you can't go to the store and just buy it, I will link it in the description below for you to purchase. This style is very gentle. I highly recommend if your hair is like really sensitive, or you just need a break from your wigs or whatever style that you normally wear and you want to give it a break. I highly recommend this style. It's very gentle, very soft, and there's no tension with this style. And like I said, I'm only using 2 big strands per plait. And the size is proportioned to the size of the square part. I will link below where you can purchase this hair from. I am using the color 4, and I'm also using a ombre color hair too as well. And I will show you what the color looks like. But I used this hair before, so I will link it in the description below. A company actually sent me this hair, and it has so many packs of hair that you can use it for like 2 styles. So I will link that down below as well. And it is like good quality. And the color 4 hair is the Queen Bee hair, which is another one of my favorite brands to braid with. And I will also link that down below as well. This style doesn't take long either, so if you want something quick and you want something gentle and you want it put up for some time, this is like the perfect style. I did pre-part them and then plait them up. So that's what also made the process faster as well. This color is I think it's 1B and 27. I will put it on the screen if I'm wrong. But this is some good quality hair, y'all. I'm telling you, like, this is the best. So if you would like to learn how to do knotless braids, I will link a video in the description below, and I will also put it in the info cards above the screen. And this hair blends in very well with her natural hair. So I am going to be applying some product. As you can see, this ensures that my I'm not gripping too tight. This is why I like using the gel, the Shining Jam. I'm sorry, not gel. It helps so you don't have to grip as hard to get a sleek look. And if you are a YouTuber and you record hair videos, I will link down below what I'm using to record her hair. You will be surprised. And it's not that expensive either. But I will link it down below to help anyone who is in the process of recording hair videos. That way you don't have to use your hand to record. That knotless braid is so neat, and I will link the video down below because I'm telling you, I've been getting like positive comments on my tutorial videos, so I'm glad I'm helping someone out. I'm glad I'm helping people learn a new skill. Like, I'm telling you, I will link it down below to help anyone out, and it's free. And I will link these scissors too, because these scissors are like, y'all, I'm telling you, these are the best scissors I've ever used. You see how clean that braid is when I cut it? So now I'm just continuing to cut up the braid, or the little hairs that's sticking out. Now I'm going to be using the Shining Jam foam by Magic Fingers. I love this foam. It is really thick. It lays down any type of flyaway hairs, and it just makes the braid smooth and sleek. And I'm putting it throughout the braid. And for people who are natural, you don't have to worry about this foam making your hair revert back when it's braided. It's just going to lay down the hair and make it smooth. But I will link down below where you can purchase it from. Again, if you want to see me use this ombre hair, I will link the video in the description. So here's the finished product. You see the ombre hair, and then you see the number 4 blends in very well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.